Did you see the level 2 charging station from ShockFlo? In this video I am reviewing it. ShockFlo sponsored this video and they sent me a charging station to try it out and to review it. When you receive the box, you will see it's really well packed with a lot of foam to avoid any damage during transport. It comes with some hardware and also some operator manual. The plug is covered in bubble wrap and the whole charging station is in a foam. As you see, the back has the mounting plate, there's an e-stop on the charging unit, there's a nice shiny finishing. Here you see what all comes. There's the charging unit, operator manual, hardware and key cards to activate the charging. Here another view from the mounting plate, which is mounted on the back, here when I removed it from the charger. The cord is, as you see here in the video, (16 feet or 192 centimeters long. So when you want to charge it, you just remove it from the holster, go to your car, plug it in as any other charging unit. For Tesla you need the adapter, and you see it starts charging right away. The Tesla Model 3, what I have, can do only maximum 32 amps. It won't allow more since the onboard charger cannot do more. The charging unit I'm testing is rated for up to 40 amps. ShockFlo has also a 48 amp charging station. The cord has the perfect length from center garage to the car. The charging unit comes with an app. The app is really easy to use. It shows all the data you want, from the amps to the voltage, previous charging history. You can also adjust the charging and set charging times and also the amps however you want it. It's super simple to use. You don't really need an operator manual or anything for it. Pretty straightforward. Here you see previous charging history. Also you can stop and start the charging from the app as well.
When you see here, right now the car is charging. I can press stop. Now you see also it doesn't flash green anymore. It flashes blue and it stopped charging. So if somebody doesn't have the app, I can go here, activate it with the card and it starts charging again. Now I might have to refresh the app, but when you look at the refresh, it is charging right now. And let's see if I can stop with the card. Yes, it turns blue and it says on the app also charge stopped.
I really hope you enjoyed this review. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to get more content. Thank you, have a good day.